Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore how to continuously adjust and improve automated processes using agile methodologies and monitoring tools. Automation is not static. It requires constant optimization to adapt to market changes and maintain efficiency. The image illustrates the continuous optimization cycle, from detecting areas of improvement to implementing incremental adjustments. If you want to learn how to maximize the value of your automated processes, stay until the end of the video. Dashboards allow you to visualize the performance of automated processes in real time. An example might be an e-commerce company that uses dashboards to monitor replenishment rates and inventory levels. The benefit gained is early detection of bottlenecks or delays in the workflow. Predictive analytics uses historical data to anticipate potential failures before they affect the operation. An example might be a production plant that anticipates machine failures and schedules preventive maintenance. The benefit obtained is the reduction of downtime and optimization of resources. The identification of critical KPIs to define specific indicators to measure the effectiveness of automated processes, such as cost per transaction or AI accuracy. The implementation of rapid feedback loops to collect and analyze data in short cycles to make incremental adjustments. An example might be a sales system that adjusts product recommendations on a weekly basis based on buying patterns. The benefit achieved is rapid adaptation to changes and error correction without affecting the operation. B testing to compare two versions of a process to determine which is more effective. An example might be a bank comparing two versions of a chatbot to evaluate which one resolves customer queries better. The benefit obtained is to make adjustments based on concrete data to improve the customer experience. The use of lean methodologies to eliminate inefficiencies. Identify and eliminate waste in automated processes to optimize the use of resources. An example might be reducing lead time in an automated supply chain. The benefit obtained is improved workflow and increased operational efficiency. Machine learning model retraining allows models to be updated with new data to improve their accuracy and adaptability. An example might be a fraud detection system that is retrained monthly to adapt to new tactics. The benefit achieved is the continuous improvement of the model's accuracy and relevance. Hyperparameter tuning in AI algorithms for the optimization of parameters such as learning rate and neural network depth. The benefit obtained is the maximization of model performance and improvement in the ability to handle large volumes of data. Data quality validation and adjustment allows to review the consistency and accuracy of the data used to feed automated systems. An example might be validating sales data before feeding a demand forecasting model. The benefit obtained is greater reliability in the results generated by the AI. Continuous improvement is key to maintaining the efficiency and competitiveness of automated processes. With constant monitoring, agile adjustments, and optimization of AI models, companies can quickly adapt to market changes and ensure sustainable growth. If you want to optimize your automated processes and maximize their impact on your organization, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultation. Together, we will design a strategy tailored to your needs. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.